Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Like every time I want to bring something new for all of y'all. So today again I'm taking y'all with me to a store nearby where I want to make a beginner's kit for all of y'all. What I mean by beginner's kit is all those people who are really worried with so many brands out in the market. How do you actually start off with makeup? What are the basic things you should have in your bag which are not very expensive, which are very pocket friendly, not so expensive that you cannot afford it, but you should have as basic items in your bag to take care of your skin, to look good and to be the glamorous you. So today let's go with me to a store nearby where I show you different brands that you can have your concealers, foundations, a blush and much more. So let's go with me to the store. Now I'm actually not sure whether they'll let me film it, but I'm going to try my best to film the products for you to show you what all you can put in your makeup bag. And in case they come and tell me that you cannot film, this is going to be really embarrassing, but I'm going to try my best for all you guys out there. So guys, in primer, this is one primer that I really suggest, which is the lagirl Pro.Prep primer. And if you see the price, yeah, the price is actually $8.50, which is not bad, though it's a small packaging. Guys, when it comes to drugstore concealers, the lagirl Pro Conceal is really nice, priced at 595 rupees, which is quite cheap, but it's a HD concealer. So concealers, I really recommend the lagirl Pro Conceal HD, which is really nice. Now they've come up with a packaging of 3, which is so convenient. I think you guys should stock in on this one. The brand has very good concealers, correctors. If you can see, very nominal price. All the different shades are available. Faves has come up with a stick foundation which is priced at 749 rupees. It's their new arrival. I think you guys should really try this in the drugstore foundations. So if you're on a budget, Faves has come up with this palette which has the bronzer, blush and the highlighter for 899 without spending much, all 3 together. So guys, if you're looking for a drugstore foundation, this is something that I really recommend, which is the matte and poreless foundation. It also comes in another texture, which is the dewy one, which is not available in India yet. And does this remind you of some other high-end brand? Yes, it's mostly like the NARS concealer. It's the Fit Me Maybelline concealer. Comes in different shades, but this is so creamy texture, you will fall in love with this concealer. This is the Maybelline Age Rewind concealer, which is again not expensive, very drugstore concealer that you can use on a daily basis. It's full coverage, guys. You should have one of these colors in your bag. Guys, this is one foundation that I recommend in L'Oreal, which is the L'Oreal Infallible foundation, which is really long lasting. Illuminators, guys, this is one illuminator you should really try, the True Match Lumi. Palette, the single blush on, this is 299 for your bag. These stick foundations which are priced at around $8.50. So guys, from the drugstore concealers, I really recommend the Makeup Revolution concealer. It comes in different shades. This is one of the darkest shades that I'm showing you, but it's priced at around $6.95, which I think is very reasonable for a concealer. To the drugstore where I showed you different brands. There are many more brands that I'm going to come up with, but if you enjoyed this video and if this was of any information to you, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to leave your comments below so I can come up with more videos of your liking. Till then, bye bye.